Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as I play out live. Market opens up here in about 2 minutes, so I'll go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 22.30 here. In at 22.30 for a put. See what it wants to do here. All right, I'm just going to take $20 move there. Gave it enough time, and it's feeling like, I don't know, does it want to get up there and break out? I think it's got a much higher chance now than when I first got in. Feels way more like a 50-50 chance or 50-50 trade right now. I don't like to take 50-50 trades. I don't like to take those coin flips. So just going to hop out. So basically a failed trade. Still walking away with $20, but like I said, I'm in here to, and I would encourage you to do the same thing, is that, you know, we're not here to flip coins. We're here to take trades that, you know, we feel as though there's some sort of edge, but seems as though the edge has disappeared, and felt very 50-50. So like I said, just wanted to hop out because I can always reposition myself. But that white line there was my stop. So to be fair, I could have still been in. But it's looking like it's getting ready to potentially break up through there. But all right, I'll go ahead and pause, and we'll see what else I can find. And looky there, that would have been a cruel move. It went up there, would have taken me out, and then it would have come back down. So I feel much better in hindsight about how I played that one, because boy, would I be frustrated. I mean, it's going to happen to me again in the future, and it will always happen, because that's just part of being a trader, is where you get the moves and you're disciplined, and then, oh, if I would have been undisciplined, I would have been okay. And that was definitely one of those situations right there. You can see pushed up through the white line and then back, although it is already starting to come back up. But yeah, so that $20 is starting to feel and look a whole lot better now. Have an order at 18.70 here. Let's try 18 instead. Yeah, 18, there we go. All right, looking for a put, so we'll see if this can come up a bit more. I will pause. I should note that I'm doing options. Should have mentioned that earlier, but options, if you have no idea what they are, let me know in the comments section. Just put guide or option guide, and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. Options are great if you have a smaller account. Not the reason why you necessarily have to use them, not why I do them, but if you do have a smaller account, then I mean, they are a great tool for that, as they can allow you to get access and get involved in a lot of things that other traditional ways wouldn't be able to. I know sometimes their options have a very advanced or intimidating kind of stereotype with them, and they can be made very advanced, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be. If you appreciate and if you enjoy approaching things more simple ways, then that's how I like to approach things too, and that's how I'm doing it here, and that guide will help you out there. So like I said, just comment below guide and I will link you to that free class. But still watching, but I'll pause for now. All right, gonna go for a put here at 17.50. I'm in at 17.50. Adjusting the order here. So wanted $100 on that one. Just took 50. Yeah, what I'm watching is this number over here. And 1850, yeah, that doesn't mean I would have been filled though. I would want to, excuse me, I didn't want to see this go up over 1850, like 1870. Okay, so I would have been, okay, so in hindsight, would have been fine, but Little scary because yeah, this is a seemingly bullish little trend here. Had a tight stop, but it just seemed like it didn't want to quite budge, but it is what it is. So instead of $100 on that one, got 50, but I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1850. Oh, it was very close to getting filled. Let's try 18 this time. Yeah, 18. All right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 1850 here. An order at 1850. In at 1850. And out for $50 there. Very good. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1450 here. Nope, was close. Not close enough though. Wow. If you go back and look at that number right there, I believe that was 1450, meaning I was on best bid, but just because your best bid does not mean you get filled. So that's just how it goes sometimes. You can be almost precision perfect, but precision perfect sometimes not good enough because you won't get filled. All right, going to try for a put here at 1550. Got that. And got myself another $50 there. Very good. I hit record, didn't I? I did hit record. Okay, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 2070 here. Okay, that's what I wanted. So let's go to 1950 now. Pretty big move here. So yeah, 1950. See if it can work its way up to there. I will pause. Have an order at 970 here for a put. I got close for a second. I'll pause. Okay, I'm at 9. What was that? Wow, that was wild. You have to scroll back. But that was getting close, and then right there, all of a sudden, it just jumped. All right, I'll pause. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. So overall, fine day, especially for the time input. I'll take it. A little disappointing. Was hoping to get filled on a couple of those ones where I was oh so close, but didn't get filled. And then that first trade didn't quite work out where I had to just settle for the $50 when $20, and I think I was going for 100 if I remember that one right. But it is what it is. Sometimes you'll have days like that where nothing to complain about, but it's just not quite what you had envisioned. But that's just the life of a day trader. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you appreciate the transparency, just showing things even like this where it was a type of day, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And again, if you want to learn more about options, then definitely comment below option guide or guide, and I will link you to that free class. Thanks for watching. Take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.